Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making a Parmesan and Basil chicken breast. For this application, if you have a chicken breast that is big enough for you to slice, you can stuff this, or you can do what we're going to do today and just kind of top our chicken breast with the mixture that we're about to make right now. So we have some Parmesan cheese, we have a clove of garlic that we've chopped, we have basil that we've chopped, and we have some softened cream cheese. I'm going to mix all of this together. What we're going to do is we're going to pan fry. You could grill, or you could even bake these a little bit ahead of time. It's really whatever you want to do there. All right, that's ready to go. I've seasoned them with salt and pepper. I'm going to put them into the pan. We're going to brown these up on both sides before we top. In the meantime, we have some green beans steaming. This will be a nice, simple, quick dish to throw together any day of the week. Give our chicken breast a flip. Okay, now once we get them flipped over like that, we can go ahead and put a little bit of our mixture on. Let the heat work it in. All right, so our chicken breasts have browned on both sides. We've smeared out our cream cheese and basil and garlic mixture on top. And now we're killing the heat. I'm gonna let these go for just a couple more minutes, and then we'll plate this up with our steamed green beans and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.